All this land, all this real estate.
from Queenston.
Could you read it from the top, please, sir?
Though now, Gibraltar Point Lighthouse, though now away from the lake and nestled among trees, this is the oldest surviving lighthouse on the Great Lakes and the second oldest surviving lighthouse in Canada. It was constructed in 1808 through to 1809 when this site was only 8 meters from the shifting shoreline of Lake Ontario and exposed to violent lake storms. Guiding sailors into York, now Toronto Harbour, this lighthouse was now used to hoist flags signaling the approach of ships to the town and fort. At a time when most buildings in York were built with local materials, the lighthouse was constructed of stone from Queenston, near Niagara Falls. Its walls are almost 2 meters thick at the base and were raised to their existing height by adding stone from Kingston in 1832. Its wick lamps, which were visible many kilometers out over the lake, were fueled with hundreds of gallons of whale oil per year, then coal oil, until an electric light was installed in 1917.
Wow.
In 1809, the lighthouse was the only major light on York's dark forested horizon. In 1945, the light was changed from white to green to distinguish from the bright lights of the modern city.
Created by nearly 100 years apart, these two maps document the drastic changes to the landscape surrounding the lighthouse, which has always remained on its original foundation. On the left notes the shallow peril to ship left plan of York, surveyed and drawn by Lieutenant Philip Plott, Royal Engineer, 1818, Toronto Public Library, Wright and Gorge Fire Insurance Plan, 1912, City of Toronto, Archive Copy, CGI.
Oh, yes, let's go.
Gibraltar. Okay, let's go. That is beautiful. Gibraltar Point.